Hare Krishna, welcome to Krishna's Cuisine. I am Bhuvan Sundari Radhadevidasi with a very popular recipe. Today, let's make very fluffy and layered Amritsari kulcha. Amritsari kulcha is a traditional recipe and very popular. We will be making them without using any soda, yeast and tandoor. It is a traditional kulcha stuffed with tangy stuffing which makes it exotic. So let's get started. First, we will need the dough. For this, take a mixing bowl and add in 2 cups of all-purpose flour or maida. Add in salt to taste, half teaspoon baking powder, 2 teaspoon sugar. Now mix it well. Instead of maida, you can use wheat flour also. I have mixed well. Now add some water and knead a soft dough. Here I have used 3/4 cup of water. Here you can see its texture. It's soft and sticky. This is how the dough must be. Now add 1 tablespoon of butter. You can use ghee also. Mix it really well. Keep kneading it until the butter combines and knead for 2 to 3 minutes more. Our dough is ready. Cover it and place it aside for half an hour. Meanwhile, we will make the stuffing. Take 6 to 7 medium-sized boiled potatoes in a mixing bowl. Let's mash it. Make sure the potatoes are cool or else the mixture will become sticky. The potatoes have been mashed. Now add salt to taste, 1 teaspoon dry mango powder or amchur powder. You can use lemon juice also. 1 tablespoon chopped ginger and chili. Half teaspoon roasted cumin powder. Half teaspoon crushed coriander seed. Half teaspoon black pepper powder. Half teaspoon black salt. 1 teaspoon red chilli powder. 1 tablespoon kasuri methi. And add 2 tablespoons of chopped coriander leaves. Combine all this well. All these masalas give a tempting and tangy flavor to our stuffing. I have listed down all the ingredients in the description box below. You can refer it. With this, our stuffing is ready. Now add 3 tablespoons of all-purpose flour or maida. Mix it well. This ensures that the stuffing is not too wet. Moreover, it makes it easy to roll the kulchas. Our stuffing is ready. It has been half an hour. Our dough is ready. You might be thinking, how will we roll such a dough? No worries. Let's take this dough onto our workplace. Sprinkle some maida or all-purpose flour. Place the dough. Sprinkle some dry flour again. Now knead the dough. Take 2 minutes for this. Next, tap and flatten this dough. Actually, Amritsari kulcha is layered and a little crispy too. This has flattened. Now apply 1 teaspoon of butter and spread it evenly. Again sprinkle some maida. Now fold the dough like this from either sides. Again repeat the same, flatten it. Again repeat the same. Spread half teaspoon of butter. Sprinkle some maida and fold it again. This step ensures many layers in our kulcha. Now roll it. Done. Next make the dough ball. Here I will make medium sized 8 kulchas. Our dough balls are ready. Next sprinkle some maida and take a ball. Roll it gently and not too big. Now place some stuffing. Do not overstuff it and seal it. Gently roll it into a kulcha. You can see how easily we are able to roll it. Do not make it too thin or thick. I have rolled it. Here I have taken some water. Apply it carefully all over the kulcha, as this side will face the tawa. I have heated the iron tawa. Now place the wet side onto it. Similarly, apply some water on top. Sprinkle some coriander leaves. You can also use fenugreek leaves also. You can see the bubbles have appeared. Let's turn it upside down and let it cook. Even without tandoor, we can make kulchas on the tawa so easily. Further, you can see the kulcha is enlarging and blowing. Slowly it will cook well in 1 or 2 minutes. Now you can see it has cooked perfectly. It has cooked well. If you make all the kulchas the same way, you will get all of them perfectly. Let's take it out. You can see from down also. Transfer it into a plate. Let's apply some butter. You can apply ghee also. Now crumble it. Traditionally also, these kulchas are crumbled and to obtain the crisp and its layers. It is crispy and fluffy. Similarly, we will make all the kulchas. All our Amritsari kulchas are ready. Let's place a tulsi leaf and offer to Lord Jagannath. Our aloo kulchas are offered and ready. You can serve these with chole or honor them alone. If you like Bhoga recipes, please like, share, subscribe and click on the bell icon below so you do not miss any Bhoga recipe. Hare Krishna, Hari Bol.